Hey guys, welcome back to Solo Stuff and Things. Today we are in North Carolina with my mother-in-law, Jessica, and you're like an official homesteader, right? Like
that, I'm working towards that title.
So today we're making homemade mayonnaise, and we tried it last night, and it was really good. So I'm super impressed because I am a Duke's mayonnaise kind of gal. She doesn't like any kind of preservatives or anything, so.
Or seed oils. Yeah. We won't go down that road.
Yeah. So she says this is super simple, so we're going to try it out. And do we get to take this with us?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay, so we'll be using it along our camping trip.
Yes.
So here we go.
It will need refrigeration because it has a raw egg.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So first off, you've got 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And you're
just regular salt?
Well, that's that Himalayan pink, but yeah.
Okay. All right.
And then you've got your dry mustard.
A half of a teaspoon.
Okay, dry mustard.
Okay.
And then the next thing is the paprika.
All right. These are cute, by the way.
They're salt jars. Salt cellars. They used to use them back in the day, and you'd put a little pinch of salt at your table.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah. Okay, and so then you've got it's like 3/4 of a tablespoon is what I really use of vinegar.
Okay.
And then you're going to use a good tablespoon of lemon juice.
And this is apple cider vinegar?
It's apple cider vinegar.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And you said this was a fresh lemon.
It is a fresh. It's just better with fresh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Isn't everything?
It is. So you're going to want a little, go ahead and dump it in and put a little extra in there.
Okay.
Like 1.5 of those. There you go.
Don't be shy.
Don't be shy.
Okay.
There you go. Now your egg.
All right.
Take that out of your way.
And this is a fresh egg from
It's a fresh egg. I washed the egg beforehand just to make sure there wasn't any yuck on the outside.
Because you're going to have a raw egg in the mayonnaise.
Yes, you are. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm trusting.
Okay. And so all you do is use an emulsion blender.
Okay.
And you're just going to take that, and once you put this in there, go ahead and set it down inside.
Okay.
More. And then use this, and then I'll hold the jar.
On low.
Yeah, and just kind of.
I'm so worried it's going to splash everything up. It's not going to do that.
No, and you can cup it like that. Now bring your blender up just a little bit as you do that. Can you see it, Asa? You're making mayonnaise. Okay, so you're going to, I'm going to do this, and you're going to gently pour your oil in slowly, and then you'll film it as it goes, okay?
So this is all avocado oil.
Yeah, and do not use olive oil.
Okay.
The taste is really off.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it's a full cup.
It's a full cup.
All right. Ready? Go
ahead and pour it in.
The rest of it? Yep. Really?
Yeah.
I mean, that's your texture, so it's a little more liquidy.
Yeah, and you can go a little bit longer, but you can see.
Too.
Yeah, true.
And you can see the. Wow. Isn't that cool?
That's so cool.
It's so easy.
Yeah. Okay.
But that's all I do.
But we're going to put a warning on this. So if you're pregnant,
you
should not eat this because it has a raw egg.
They shouldn't eat anything raw when you're pregnant.
Right.
Is what they recommend.
But you know how cookie dough, they say that you're not supposed to eat cookie dough because it has raw eggs? You're saying that's not true.
I don't say you shouldn't eat cookie dough. I mean, do you eat cookie dough?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you die? But did you die?
Right?
No.
But are you pregnant?
Okay. So, Asa, can you grab us a little spatula out of that drawer right there, honey? Yeah. Perfect.
And I love that you just have mason jars everywhere around here because you never know what we're going to be making. Earlier, she made pimento cheese for us.
Oh, it's so good.
That's definitely something we're going to be doing on the road, right? Like,
so you have to do that for your people.
Yeah.
You have to share that recipe for
Oh
them.
my gosh, you're
Thank
gonna
you.
dump that everywhere.
I'm making a mess. I just wanted to unplug. I didn't want to accidentally turn this on because you'd be taking another shower. Oh my gosh. That would be,
That is so cool.
isn't it?
Okay, give us a scoop with the spatula so we can
Okay.
Oh, I was like, I'm
Okay.
not just gonna eat that. That's so cool. So it's gonna be more yellow because of the
Because of the
egg.
yolk.
And,
Well, because it's mom's chickens have dark yolks too.
right, because they eat a lot of greens, the chickens do. But you've also got the paprika, which is red.
Mm-hmm.
I use the apple cider vinegar.
Right.
It's kind of brown, you know.
So how quickly should you, like, what's their shelf life
This,
for this?
you can, in the refrigerator, you can keep this for a few weeks.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha.
Because of the vinegar. Yeah.
Yes, and the lemon juice.
Oh, yeah.
And
Awesome.
so we're gonna do pickled eggs later.
I don't know if I like pickled eggs.
Oh, you'll like them.
Okay. Well,
so stay tuned, guys, for pickled eggs.
So this was so fun. Comment down below. Let me know what's your favorite brand, and are you going to try to make some mayonnaise? Like, that was super easy. So thanks so much for hanging out, and we will see you next time.
Wait, did you want to do a taste test?
No.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm not looking like that. Like, I don't eat just mayonnaise like that. Why don't you do it?
Get a spoon. Let's just do a spoon.
Okay. A spoon.
Let me clean this up a little bit. That looks kind of gross.
Priscilla, you know why we eat our own food?
Why?
Because we can.
Get it?
You're a dork. We got dad jokes.
So I used to have a T-shirt that said, "We eat at home because I can," and it had canning jars.
That's so funny.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right.
I'm just gonna, Okay. That's really good. Like, we put it on burgers last night, so
Yeah.
you couldn't fully taste it.
Right, and we used
You
it in
should-
the pimento cheese.
You should taste it.
Good, huh?
Yeah, it's really good. What?
Oh, you got to do it on film.
Oh, wow.
Right?
So get your spoon
Yeah, that's good. I tried it.
On film.
on film. Yeah, but you didn't have the face thing. You didn't do the whole face thing.
You didn't do the face thing. Oh.
Oh, he's going big or stay home.
It's still mayo.
Right?
I mean, who eats a teaspoon of mayonnaise?
But it's really good, man.
Really good mayo. Oh, okay.
No, I love this. I'm super excited about it. So yeah, comment down below. Let me know. Are you gonna make your own mayo?
I think they should.
I feel like you should.
I mean,
Look at that. Look at the cute little lid.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thanks so much for hanging out, and I'm sure we'll have some more things coming at you. So see you next time.
Thanks for coming.